Today we have this gorgeous BMW M4, and we're going to talk about the easiest way to get these wheels clean. We know in particular BMW M wheels produce a lot of brake dust. And with these intricate designs, it's always a challenge to keep them clean and keep them looking their best. So what we're going to do is we're going to show the quickest and safest way to get these cleaned up and looking good. So in order to do this, we're going to use two main items. We're going to use Titan Chemistry's Extreme Foam Soap, which is a pH balanced soap, which we'll place in our wash bucket, which will act as a lubricant between the brush and the wheel surface itself. And also Titan Chemistry's non-acid wheel cleaner. This is a safe cleaner for both the rim and tire. It'll effectively target brake dust, grime, any of the buildup that we see here, while preserving the natural finish and not without having any long-term effects of damage occurring from it. So in order to begin, what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our Extreme Foam Soap, put it into our wash bucket, get that soap activated with the pressure washer, and go ahead and rinse off the wheel. So a few ounces into our wash bucket. We're going to take a pressure washer, activate the soap, and now we're going to go ahead and rinse off the wheel to get some of the larger contaminants off. Using our wheel cleaner, we're going to go ahead and spray and apply to the wheel surface, being mindful of the intricate areas and also focusing onto the barrel and onto the caliper itself, and allow the chemical process to begin breaking down a lot of contaminants. In the meantime, we're going to focus primarily on the main face of the rim itself. What we're going to do is we're going to take our soft large wheel brush and begin working the exterior in an effective, efficient way. All right, I'm not focusing too much on the intricate areas just quite yet. We have the smaller brush to do that. We're just focusing on the larger areas right now. We'll come back later with the intricate brush. And now we're going to come with our barrel brush to quickly and effectively get the barrel of the rim. We're going to come in at a slight angle, make sure we get behind the spokes of the rim as well, behind the caliper. You always want to add a little bit more soapy water to your brush to add that lubricity. And we'll go ahead and reapply a little bit more wheel cleaner. Now, what we're going to start focusing on the more intricate areas. We're going to come in, get all these little spokes. We know BMW G80, G82's wheels are a challenge to clean, but with a little bit of efficiency, we can get them cleaned up pretty quickly. Now we're going to come in with our intricate brush and focus on the smaller areas. Focusing around the lug bolts, everything cleaned up, allowing the extreme foam to act as a lubricant in order to reduce any damage or any potential scratching from contaminants, but also letting the wheel cleaner effectively clean. And now we're going to go ahead and spray our wheel cleaner onto our tire itself. We're going to come in with our tire brush and start scrubbing the tire. This tire did have Titan Chemistry's Dark Tire Shine, which is our sealant-based tire system, applied about 4 months ago. So you don't see too much browning because the sealant system is still bonding to the tire and still protecting the tire. We're going to get this cleaned up a little bit as well. And just like that, everything worked out pretty quick. We're going to go ahead and rinse and inspect our work. Looking at all the nooks and crannies, there's no more contaminants, no more brake dust, a clean surface. Using our extreme foam soap and our non-acid wheel cleaner, we quickly, effectively, and safely got this wheel cleaned up with minimal effort. Looking good, ready for the road.